Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can make a 1v1 custom game in Rainbow Six Siege X, okay? Now this is kind of confusing, but yeah. We're just gonna go to the play menu in the main menu here. Then I want you to go to your playlists here, and I want you to go to custom game, okay? Now here you're gonna have different, sections. You have create local, join local, or create online. I want you to click on create online, but keep in mind that you need a clearance level of 5 at the very least, okay? And because I'm level 4 currently, I'm just gonna click on create local, but this is gonna be exactly the same, okay? But you have to click in here in create online. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to play with a friend. So just click in here, guys, although I'm gonna click in here. Now, after you click in create online, you're gonna have this little menu here. I want you to scroll down to duels, and here you can just select whether you want 6 rounds or 14 rounds, okay? So just select your basically preferred option and click on create as a player. Then you're gonna be redirected to the game, and from here you can invite your friend, okay? As I'm gonna show you in other tutorials, okay? You can just invite your friends from here. Okay, thank you so much, guys.